Getting inside the GLA 35, the cozy seats, gorgeous looks creates a sense of occasion, the best in class experience with regards to quality, design and user friendliness. The biggest highlights of the GLA 35's interior is the steering wheel. Superly designed and lovely to hold, it now gets AMG's rotary knob drive mode, selector and switch stock. It has ample of storage. The front seats are superly supportive. Look at this storage, guys. Makes us simply excellent. This car also has starlight in it like Rolls-Royce. The front GLA 35 gets a unique radiator grille with vertical louvers. Round the sides, the GLA 35 is fitted with 20-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke light alloy wheel, which cover large 355mm cross-drilled rotor with up front and 330mm units at the rear. Seats are quite accommodating and not too bad even on longer journeys. AMG rear bumper is with two round tailpipes and AMG spoiler lip just above the roof spoilers. Overall, the GLA 35 scores well for the interior and cabin refinement. The tested fuel consumption of the Mercedes-Benz GLA 35 worked out to be 10.1 liter per 100 km. The Mercedes-Benz GLA 35 was launched in June 2022. It is a trendy and stylish compact SUV. Its on-road price is about Rs 59.40 lakhs. It is also available in 6 different colors. Enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure this content was interesting. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends. Make sure you hit that like button. Bye.